guys, today I'm playing Plumber Pants, and I'm just gonna play it today, and
Can I play, Carter? All right, so let's play. So you go first. So how do you play this game?
So first, well, you might seen this on the ad, but first you put this here and try not to let it fall.
So can I go?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see. Now I'm going to go over here, and then I'm going to put it right here.
And see that it's like getting
still,
down.
guys.
Oh, we're just playing Plumber's Pants.
Oh,
It's
that looks
Plumber
interesting.
Pants. You could play those.
All right, your
Ah,
turn.
it's wet.
Well, what's the objective of the game, Carter?
The objective of the game is to try to get all of the tools on his thing. So now you know how to play, you can watch us.
Oh. Now what happens if you get all the tools on the thing?
Then you win.
Okay.
And if you make it go, it'll spray all over you.
Oh, really?
So you might want to come with a towel.
Oh,
Oh!
man, there's water all over the place.
Oh, look, his pants fell down.
His pants fell down. So who won?
You did, because Carter put that on.
Ah, all right. Let's play again.
You guys want to play again? Comment down
Can I
below.
try? Can I play too, guys?
Yeah, sure. You play now.
Thank you.
Oops.
My turn. Watch out.
Okay.
Watch out.
All right. You go first.
Oh, and make sure you guys put water in here before you very first play.
All right. Carter, your turn. Careful.
And if you pick random, that's lucky.
Oh.
My turn.
Papa's
Okay.
turn. I think he's gonna get it.
This is like break the ice.
Oh. My turn. I think. Oh man.